Dify versus Flowise. Which AI app builder should you use? Choosing the right AI app builder can transform how you create and deploy intelligent applications without complex coding or long setup times. We'll compare Dify and Flowise briefly. Dify and Floats are two powerful AI app builders designed to simplify AI integration. The core difference lies in Dify's focus on seamless AI workflows with a no-code interface, while Floats emphasizes customizable AI pipelines with visual programming flexibility. Dify is an AI app builder that enables users to create AI-powered workflows without writing code. It works by providing an intuitive drag-and-drop interface where users connect AI models, APIs, and data sources to automate tasks or build applications. Strengths of Dify include its user-friendly design, quick deployment, and integration with popular AI services, making it ideal for non-technical users or teams wanting fast results. However, Dify may have limitations in highly specialized customizations or advanced pipeline configurations, which more technical users might require. Overall, Dify suits startups, small businesses, or individuals looking to automate workflows or build AI apps efficiently without deep AI expertise. Flowise is a visual AI app builder focused on creating highly customizable AI pipelines through a node-based interface. It allows users to design complex AI workflows by connecting different models, data inputs, and processing steps visually. Flowise's strengths lie in its flexibility and depth, offering advanced users the ability to tailor AI applications precisely to their needs. This makes it perfect for developers and data scientists who want granular control over AI components and workflows. On the downside, Flowise has a steeper learning curve and may require more technical knowledge to maximize its potential. It is best suited for teams or individuals comfortable with AI concepts and looking for a robust, customizable platform to build sophisticated AI solutions. Comparing Dify and Flowise shows a clear trade-off between ease of use and customization. For example, a small business wanting to automate customer support might choose Dify for its quick setup and no-code interface. Meanwhile, a data science team building a tailored AI recommendation engine would benefit from Flowise's detailed pipeline controls. Dify excels in simplicity and speed but limits deep customization, whereas Flowise offers powerful customization at the cost of complexity and a longer learning curve. Choosing depends on your technical skills, project complexity, and how much control you need over AI workflows. Choose Dify if you want a straightforward, no-code AI builder that delivers fast results with minimal technical expertise. Opt for Flowise if you need advanced customization and are comfortable with AI pipeline design. Both platforms serve distinct needs, so pick the one that aligns with your skills and project goals for the best AI app building experience.